Hello guys, it's Kent's vlog here once again. Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode of my vlog, I will be featuring the Al-Birk beach of Jizan, Saudi Arabia. Did you know guys where this beach located? Al-Birk beach is located at Red Sea, Jizan, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is the Al-Birk beach at night. The water is still and calm, and within you can feel the stillness and sanctuary to which you can retreat at any time and be yourself. This is the place where many of the overseas Filipino workers come to relax and enjoy its pristine white sand beach. Some of the Filipinos come to visit here not just to swim but to catch for a crabs as well as doing a fishing activity. The Red Sea is the saltiest of all the seas that connect to the ocean, without even one river meeting the sea. Why Red Sea is the saltiest among the sea? It's because of the extremely warm temperatures in its water surfaces. The temperature reaches 30 degrees and water evaporates from it at a prodigious rate, making it extremely salty. Red Sea has also a biblical context. According to Agnolo Brosino, in a number of distinct contexts it occurs 26 times in a biblical records. In the biblical context, the parting of the Red Sea occurs when Moses and the Israelites are encamped by the sea. According to the book of Exodus, God divided the waters, which is the Red Sea, so that they could walk across the dry seabed. However, according to the scientist, there was no scientific explanation for the parting of Red Sea in the book of Exodus. If you were an overseas Filipino workers based in Saudi Arabia, Don't miss your opportunity to travel and explore this beautiful beach. Surely you will enjoy and feel the tranquil sounds of the ocean. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified on my future uploaded video. Stay tuned for more videos soon. Thank you and have a nice day.